Hey guys, and welcome to today's Christmas calendar episode. Today I'm gonna practice the Wim Hof breathing method.
Hi, I'm Wim Hof.
It's kind of a meditational thing when you breathe in heavily for a minute and then try to hold your breath for as long as you can. It requires some very intense inhaling and exhaling, and it sounds kind of weird. Now, inhaling for like 30 breaths heavily, then trying to hold my breath as long as possible, then redo that process. And I'm gonna do that for 20 minutes, and it's gonna be a lot of people walking on and on. I really have to ignore them all if I want to push myself to break my holding breath record. I did really have to tune down my thoughts on what other people thought of me, because it did sound weird. But hey, I didn't care what people thought of me. Maybe people get annoyed, but it's not the end of the world if I make some noises, as long as I don't do it every day. Maybe this wasn't the most exciting one, but it meant something to me. Thank you for watching, thanks for being awesome. See you tomorrow in the next episode. Bye guys. That was something.